Have you ever wondered how some Pinterest accounts seem to skyrocket overnight? Imagine unlocking the secret algorithm tricks that can explode your follower count and engagement. Stick around as we dive deep into the advanced Pinterest SEO techniques that top influencers don't want you to know about. You won't believe how easy it is to transform your Pinterest game. Don't miss out! Alright, let's talk about optimizing your pins for search engines. To get started, focus on your pin titles. A compelling and descriptive title is crucial because it's the first thing users see. Make sure your title is clear and includes relevant keywords. Think about what your audience would type into the search bar to find your content. Next up, let's tackle pin descriptions. This is where you can get a bit more detailed. Use this space to expand on your pin title by incorporating additional keywords and phrases. Descriptions should be informative and engaging, offering value to the reader while naturally integrating keywords. Avoid keyword stuffing. Instead, aim for a natural flow that's easy to read. Now, let's move on to keywords. Keywords play an essential role in making your pins discoverable. Conduct a bit of research to identify the most popular keywords related to your niche. Tools like Pinterest Trends can be really helpful for this. Once you have a solid list of keywords, sprinkle them throughout your titles and descriptions where they fit naturally. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of using hashtags. Just like on other social platforms, hashtags can increase the reach of your pins. Include a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags to cover all bases. By focusing on these strategies, optimizing your titles, writing engaging descriptions, and strategically using keywords and hashtags, you'll improve your visibility in Pinterest search results. Have you tried any of these techniques on your pins before? And what results did you see? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action. This course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Creating visually appealing pins is crucial for capturing attention and encouraging user engagement. Start with high-quality images that are clear, well-lit, and relevant to your content. Visual appeal is often the first thing that draws users in, so investing in good photography or graphic design can make a significant difference. Next, consider your font choices. Clear, easily readable fonts help convey your message quickly. Avoid overly complicated or decorative fonts that could be hard to read, especially on smaller screens. The key is to strike a balance between aesthetics and readability. Effective layouts also play an essential role in enhancing engagement. A clean and organized layout with a strong focal point helps guide the viewer's eye through your pin's information. Utilize white space to avoid overcrowding and ensure your text and images are well balanced. Incorporating brand colors and styles can also create a cohesive look that makes your pins instantly recognizable. In addition to these design elements, don't overlook the importance of including a call to action CTA in your pins. Whether it's prompting users to click for more information, save the pin, or visit your website, a clear CTA can significantly boost interaction rates. By focusing on these design techniques, quality images, clear fonts, and effective layouts, you'll create pins that not only attract attention, but also drive clicks, saves, and overall engagement. So, what design strategies have you found most effective in your Pinterest campaigns? Alright, so you created some eye-catching pins, but how do you know if they're truly performing well? This is where Pinterest Analytics comes into play. It's a treasure trove of information, giving you detailed insights into what's working and what needs improvement. First off, let's talk about metrics. Impressions, saves, and clicks are your primary indicators of success on Pinterest. Impressions show how many times your pin has been seen, saves indicate how many users have saved your pin to their boards, and clicks reveal the number of users who clicked through to your website or a specific link. Tracking these metrics helps you understand how your content is resonating with your audience. In Pinterest Analytics, you'll find the Overview tab extremely useful. This section gives you a snapshot of your overall performance, highlighting your top performing pins. Pay special attention to these pins. What makes them stand out? Is it the design, topic, or maybe the timing of when you posted them? Analyzing these factors can provide valuable clues for crafting future content. Now, let's go a bit deeper. The Audience Insights tab is a gem for understanding who your audience is. You'll discover demographic information such as age, gender, and location, as well as interests and other behaviors. This data is crucial for tailoring your content to match your audience's preferences, ensuring higher engagement rates. One often overlooked feature is the Trends tab. It showcases popular topics and trends on Pinterest, giving you ideas on what kind of content is currently grabbing attention. Aligning your pins with these trends can significantly boost visibility and engagement. Adjusting your strategies based on these insights isn't just a good idea, it's essential for growth. If a particular type of pin or topic is performing exceptionally well, consider creating more of that content. On the flip side, if something isn't resonating, don't be afraid to switch things up. So, have you been tracking your Pinterest metrics? Which pins are bringing you the most success? And how might you replicate that winning formula?